Assalamuallaikum everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm Nia Fatima and welcome back to my channel Arabic Classes with As you can see, when we popped the balloon, we got this piece of paper. Let's open and see what letter it contains. Let's open it from here. So the letter was Alif. Let's repeat, Alif. Now let's see some words starting with the letter Alif. But wait a minute. Are you ready to begin this lesson? If yes, then let's begin. Guess the first word using this very short clip. Did you guess the word? It was flowers, which means azhar. And if you guessed it flowers, then you were right. Congratulations. Our next word is camera, which means alatun tasweer. Let's repeat, alatun tasweer, which means camera. Next we have ithna ashar, which means 12. Let's repeat, ithna ashar, which means 12. Now we have our next word, which is ikhtabah, which means hide. Let's repeat, ikhtabah. So we have our next word, which is ear, which means udhun. Let's repeat, udhun. So we have our next word as 14, which means arba'ata ashar. Let's repeat, arba'ata ashar, which means 14. Now our next word is rice, which means urz. Let's repeat, urz, which means rice. Can you guess our next word using this short clip? It's something related to school. Yes, it is ustad, which means professor. Let's repeat, ustad. Next word we have listen, which means istama'. Let's repeat, istama', which means listen. So our next word is istayqadh, which means waking up. Let's repeat, istayqadh, which means waking up. Our next word is asra', which means faster. Let's repeat, asra'. Our next word is isharatu murur, which means traffic signals. Let's repeat, isharatu murur, which means traffic signals. Now let's see what's our next word. Our next word is something related to this video. It is ashjar, which means trees. Let's repeat, ashjar, which means trees. Now let's see our next word. Our next word is a'ta, which means give. Let's repeat, a'ta, which means give. Next we have blind, which means a'ma. Let's repeat, a'ma. Now congratulations, you finished learning today's lesson, the letter Alif, and some words with it. Were you able to learn this letter Alif? Stay tuned because I'll post videos of all letters and words with it. So stay tuned for that. And I will also be posting more travel vlogs. So thank you, bye, masalama. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.